Good morning everyone, happy Friday. We're not going to be messing about at all today. I want to get this drain run dug out and sorted today, so we are just going to get straight to it. Plus it is a cold day today and I want to warm up, so let's get digging. Okay, so I'm stopping halfway through this dig because it is actually lunchtime. It is, what's that, 1:45. And also, I have had to stop and have a discussion because the boss is on site. Hello, Holly.
Hey.
Say hello, everyone. Holly's here. She's talked me into going for lunch. No, I think it's the other way around.
Yeah.
I talked her into going out for lunch. So we're going to pop out for lunch and then I'm going to come back and finish digging this hole. I'm also going to... I've got some news about the digger, which I'll all let you know when I come back, but my belly is a grumbling and Holly is just surveying the soakaway to make sure it's all good.
I haven't seen any of it.
You haven't seen any of it? Oh
No.
yeah, she's been in bed for pretty much, well, the past few months, isn't it? Bit of an exaggeration.
A week and a half.
About a week, been in bed for a week and a half. But yeah, so she is up and well and moving around now. I say well, how are you feeling?
Okay.
She's feeling okay, so yeah, thank you everyone for all the wishes of getting her well, and it appeared to have worked because she's feeling much better. Right, okay, I'm going to stop waffling on and we're going to go and have some waffles. It's because I waffle, she gave me a funny look, it's because I waffle. Oh look, she wants to have a go at the doors. No, I've locked it, so we're going to have to go in.
What do you mean we're going to have to go in?
Well, because I haven't got the key on me to unlock the door. Are you trying to open the door?
We're going to have to go in where?
Oh, are you on? We're going to walk through the house? I was just going to walk round.
Oh, okay, I didn't know we could walk round.
Oh, okay. What was that?
I said it's a bit of an obstacle course.
You got the right boots on it, that's for sure.
Yeah. Oh, do you get little froggies in these ones?
I haven't because I've only dug this out this morning, but I do get frogs around here, yeah.
Oh.
Do you want to comment on my drainage?
No. I literally couldn't give a shit.
Fair enough.
I'm going to go in the house.
Okay.
Because I actually don't want to hurt my back.
Do you want to have a go on the doors before we
Can't
go?
over shit. What door?
Slide the doors.
If you want.
Well, I want to open the doors. They are the most satisfying thing to open and close. Do you want some help?
I don't want to do anything.
Push. My level's gone. Trust me, open those doors. Are they not the most satisfying thing to open?
Every time I see that, I think it says fuck off slag. Every single time.
Oh, I think we're going to have a few beeps in this episode.
Yeah, don't
And I lift it down. You don't have to worry about that. It's just an unlock and open jobby.
what does that even mean?
No, so you unlock it and then open it down. You don't lift it up and unlock it.
So no lifting.
So you don't
up.
have to lift it up.
This is going to make me look like such a blonde twat, but it feels open.
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
maybe it was just caught.
No, just
There's the latch in the middle. Just, yeah, twist it round. That's it, yeah, and just open the doors.
wow.
How satisfying is that?
Yeah. I like the view.
Yeah. Well, even with all the dirty dump truck and all the rubbish.
Well, it's obviously not going to stay like that.
Right, okay, once Holly shut the door, we're actually going to go to lunch now, once I've had my fix of...
Yeah, I need to work.
Yeah. Right, so I'll see you shortly.
That's really cool.
Oh, crikey, that was one hell of a jump. Oh, that could have ended up a lot worse than it was. Anyway, come back from lunch. It was lovely. Thank you very much. I think it was yesterday's episode, the episode before, someone asked me what I had for lunch, so I'll tell you what I had for lunch today. I had the biggest hot dog you have ever seen. Picture of it right here, and it was pucker. So good old stoke up for lunch. It was lovely. Holly took her out for lunch because, as we sort of stipulated earlier, she's been in bed sort of with her back for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. Luckily she works from home, so that's okay, but yeah, she's sort of been feeling a little bit down. So I took her out for lunch. It was very nice. She's doing much better. Thank you again to everyone who has sent her love, and get well soon. As I said earlier, it appears to have worked. So before we went off to lunch, I did say I would give you an update on the digger, which we shall do right now. For those of you who haven't seen yesterday's episode, basically one of the hoses for the grabber, the digger, the bucket which does that, it blew on me. So if you haven't seen yesterday's episode, go back and check that one out and you'll see the damage. I have spoken to Gary, the technician who's going to come out and have a look. Yeah, he spoke to me and he said he should be able to come out next week, Monday or Tuesday. However, me and Holly, as of Sunday, are going to be in a very strict lockdown. We are going to see absolutely no one, go absolutely nowhere, because we want to go and see some family. So we are taking extra precautions because of COVID. COVID can F off, in my opinion, right about now. But yeah, so we're taking every precaution possible and doing a complete lockdown for 2 weeks, just me and Holly, complete isolation. So my point being, unfortunately, Gary won't be able to come out and fix this until afterwards, so it's not going to get fixed for a couple of weeks, which means hand digging the rest of that. Well, I was going to hand dig the rest of it anyway because this ain't going to get fixed now. Anyway, I'm waffling on. So yeah, that should hopefully be in a couple of weeks, but it can be fixed, and Gary, who is an amazing person, is going to come and get that all sorted for us. So that is the update on Casey. Now that I have had a fantastic stoke up, it is much later in the afternoon than I was hoping for. Kind of that Friday feeling. So what I'm going to do is I am going to dig out a bunch more of this, but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to film it because it is just going to be digging. We've seen plenty of digging throughout the week, so I'm going to do that off camera. As it's Friday, just sort of a quick recap of the past week. My first week of daily vlogging, daily uploading. It's been going extremely well. I'm absolutely loving doing it. It's sort of revitalised my love for making movies on, making films on YouTube. Absolutely loving it. You're all loving it. So it was going to be a 1 week to see how it goes, and because I'm loving it so much and you're all loving it as well, we're just going to continue it. I am not going to say it is a for definite daily vlog. It is just I'm going to upload videos as often as I'm happy to, because all of this is, I don't want to do it if it doesn't make me happy, and currently doing it is making me extremely happy, so I will continue to do so. Again, with upload times, I was roughly working at about a 9 PM upload. Again, I'm not going to stick to a specific timed upload, because those of you who noticed yesterday, it went up at like 10:30 because I had a lovely Chinese takeaway, which you all saw, which was very nice. I don't just eat crap. I know you saw me eating Chinese for dinner last night and that massive hot dog for lunch today. It's not on the regular. This is just sort of only in the past couple of days. Anyway, so the uploads, I'm going to aim for around 9 PM because obviously the other reason why it took so long yesterday was because the opening sequence of me and the digger yesterday, not only did it take me like an hour and a half to film it, it took me nearly 2 hours to edit it. So sometimes if I do the big edits like that, it's going to be a later upload. But so I'm aiming for roughly a 9 PM, but like I said, I'm not going to say exactly because it's going to be, life comes first, but videos are also great. So I'm going to upload as and when I feel happy to. I'm not going to say, oh, there's going to be no video tomorrow. If there's no video, it just won't be an upload, because again, it's whatever makes me happy. Because if I want to do this for any length of time, I have to be happy in making the videos, and like I said, so far I am extremely happy making the videos. It's going to be a Monday to Friday thing. I'm not going to be doing it at the weekend. If I do videos at the weekend, it will be on my other channel. Some people have asked me for a link for my other channel. It is down in the description, so you can pop down there, have a look, have a click, have a subscribe. Also in regards to comments, because obviously doing daily uploads, I get a larger influx of comments. So what I'm going to be doing, I've done this all week, is for the first 2 hours after a video is uploaded, I will do my best to answer every comment or get back to everyone who comments for the first 2 hours of each video. After that, I will do my best to get back to as many of you as I can, but obviously because it's daily vlogging, there's just like 5 times the amount of comments coming in. So please bear with me. I do see all of your comments, but just sometimes I just don't have time to reply to all of your comments. And as for yesterday's video, because it went up at 10:30, even to now, I haven't had a chance to reply to any. So I'll do my best to do that once I have uploaded this video. We'll see how that format goes again into the coming weeks and months and just see how it goes. May amend it if needs be, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there for today. I'm going to continue digging. If you are interested in learning how to lay bricks, you can click this playlist here. If you want to see this whole build from the beginning, click this playlist here. With that being said, hope you'll have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all on Monday morning. So take care. I'll see you then. Toodaloo.